Yes. All right, everybody. Ooh, just looking at. Oh, yeah, that's a shirt from yesterday. All right, everybody. This stream is edutainment. Stands for education, entertainment, smashed into one. Not financial advice. You need to do your own research. This is just one way of looking at the markets. It's been fun. I show you what I do during the day a little bit and early in the morning. So we are here in the markets today. The markets is back down to the downside and super choppy. It's trying to hold on to some of the gains that it's made, and I've been getting chopped up a little bit in the last couple days. So wish me luck. And we got 26 seconds before we get this started. So let's do this. All right. Got to pick myself up as well. Yeah. Choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Got to be a better surfer. All right, everybody. 9 seconds, itchy foot. And let's get through this, all right? Let's wind up that finger. Woo! What up, social media world? My name's Alfred Gordon-Liu. This is 8 at 8. 8 minutes starts right now. Oh, my mouse has been doing funky things. So, this is what we're talking about today, Adobe. It is ticker symbol ODB, part of information technology, and also part of the S&P 500, which has been doing great and pulled back in the last couple of days. So if you are an investor, you are looking to, hopefully that's good, look at people's investor. Oh, where is that thing? I've lost my, there it is. Sorry. If you're an investor, you're looking at investor relations page, you're checking out what news, and Adobe, believe it or not, it is pretty quiet on their front. I haven't heard anything about them. So, you know, we got to find out a lot more about them, dive in if you're going to invest in certain companies. But I guess no news is probably good news. So let's take a look at the charts. If you're a positional trader, that means you're buying and holding for months or weeks at a time. This is what it looks like. Back in November, highs around 700. We got the lows in June around 338. And now it's back up to around 430. So great little bounce. Is this going to hold? That's what everybody's kind of wondering. But as you can see, people started dumping it. People are holding it. And right now it's all the way to, it's upside. A nice little bounce up. So if you have gotten here, you're dollar cost averaging. And now you're getting a good little pay bump. But inside this candle right here, up and down, there are lots of opportunities to swing trade this. And for that, we go to a daily chart. We're looking at our Bollinger Bands to help us figure out when to buy the dip and sell the tops. And right now, if you look, it's had the bottom, it's zigzagging up, it's hit a little peak, it came back down. Now it's just been hugging this as we've had a tremendous rally in this last two weeks. And it's pulled back a little bit as well. So you want to probably, I'm going to get some circles so you guys can see that here. And I'll probably zoom in. Let's do that. Let's get rid of these extensions. Let's zoom in here. Come on. I like that. There you go. So you want to sell. So let's just take one of those right here. That was your selling opportunity. And you're looking probably to buy back once you get back to this middle section right here. So we'll just put another little green circle here. Once it gets back to this middle line, which is a 20 moving average, that's when you want to buy. But look at the strength right here. It is still up. It almost hit that 70 mark, but it's come back down in the last little bit, showing that the strength is leaving it all the way from 65 down to 61. So is it just like a little healthy pullback? And this is going to shoot back up. It seems like it right now. The market seems really, really strong to my disbelief, but you got to see what you see right now. And also, it is weakening. You see these dark little green candles here from our histogram, our MACD, but these lines are definitely trending on the way up. And this is RSI is still on the way up. So relatively, we have a lot of strength. It should still keep on going. So it'll probably look like this, where it has a healthy pullback and it keeps on going for a little bit. But yes, it's a good healthy pullback. So if you're thinking about, I would like to see it dip down a little bit more right here, probably around to the 408 reach, 410 before, loading up again and seeing if it'll go back up, because this is a strong trend up. But let's see what's in the market that would move this stock. And for that, we got to go to our wonderful, wonderful earnings call. So let's take a look when it is. They reported June 16th. The next time they're doing it is September 15th. Last time they reported a 3.31. We got a 3.35. It's great on EPS. So now they're going to give us even better at 3.33. Will they meet that or not? We will have to wait till September to see, and then we'll get some movement going on. But for today, we have 355 earnings, 11 stock splits, and 52 economic events. Out of those economic events, I don't know of any this today that has stuck out, but let's take a look at this. Productivity prelim, labor right here, the red book. Anything else coming up here? It looks pretty light for US and Canada. There's a couple things in Japan that are coming out, but not a lot of news. And just like that, here, Adobe, also not a lot of news going out as well. So you can see, even by just Google searching news, 1 month ago, 4 weeks ago, 1 week ago, right? So a lot of people here are, is it a bull? Is it not? Some people are definitely upgrading Adobe to a buy. All right, and some people are projecting, 550 to 450. So let's take a look at our intraday and let's see what it's doing today. So this is an intraday chart for those of you who are looking to make money on the spread or the difference. If you guys can scalp out a couple of bucks out of the market, that's what the people that I'm talking to right now. So we're going to take a low, we're going to take a high, which was the high was yesterday at 440. It's retraced a little bit back down to 525 right now. So let's zoom in and let's take a look at this right here for the day. All right. So as you can see, it's ticking lower. VWAP is 429 right here. Okay. All right, so it looks like it's peaked up here and now it's just gone down. With most of the market, we've had this crazy down run as well. It's peaked up a little bit just before starting the show, and it's headed back down to the downside as well. Will it break these lows? I think it's going to have a great time testing that as well. So this is a little great run up, and now it's coming back. It didn't make it all the way to VWAP. But I would say your next ceiling right here is going to be around 425. Let's just call 427, 428. Let's call it 428 as a great ceiling for today. And then it's going to test this lower. So look, you're looking at 428 all the way down to 425. That's already a $3 spread on a $500 or $400 stock. That is not that big, but I think we could retest this again here at 423.23. So that makes up the spread even larger to a $5 spread. And we're going to have to look left to see. So you can see it's flooring up. Oh, no, I'm blocking it. There you go. So you can see it had a floor right here around 425 where it's hovering. I think it's going to break it right here, even lower. And then it'll stop around here, 423, like this Fibonacci at the 50% level. If it breaks that, ooh, it's going all the way down to, let's call it 420, right? Or 422. So I could see that happening today, definitely happening today. So right here, I'm going to think you hit the 50% retracement level at 425. So you're looking at a $5 spread right now, definitely trending to the downside. I think we could definitely hit that. And just like that, we are done. I got to get back to the markets, track some of my trades. You got to unpack some of your loser trades to figure out what you can do. Is it running your stop loss too close? I think that's what it is. I need to give my trade time to breathe and trend and move into a direction that I'm thinking of. So with that said, we're done. Love you guys. Trade safe, and I'm just gonna peace out right here. Peace out.